Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aquarius, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, Aquarius. So these are for your general energies. This card is for your relationship, guys, and this card is for your career circumstances. And today we will be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. So this is the card. I will leave it here. And one card for your love guidance. And I will leave this card here. And one fortune cookie card for you all. We will see what it is as we proceed, guys. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Aquarius, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. So let's start with these cards for your general energies, guys. First, so we have 8 of Pentacles in reverse, 8 of Swords, and 2 of Swords. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are in a lot of confusion, doubts maybe, and you don't know what is the right thing or what will be the right decision today. Something is holding you back. You feel stuck, unable to make the right choice. For some of you, you are even sick, or there is someone sick in your circumstances, maybe a family member, and you need to take care of them. And that is quite a stress for you, really a burden for you, and it is making the circumstance even more worse because you are unable to do things as expected, maybe whatever you need to do in your work or maybe in your personal life. This illness is affecting you, or for some of you, I see that you are quite confused about some choices you need to make today, guys. Something regarding your work, or it may be something in your relationship. So, you are faced with a choice and you don't know what will be the right choice, and you want to make the right choice. That may be the reason for a lot of confusion today. You are sleepless, you feel sleepless, unable to decide something, and you feel that you can what to say, you cannot decide immediately because you have different ideas, or you have some expectations maybe, and in your heart of hearts, deep down, you know you want this person, but there is someone else interesting you, maybe for some of you. So you are still deciding whether to be with this person or not, whether to be in this relationship or not. So a lot of confusion and doubts are there in your mind. The reason you are confused may be because you have heard something about this person, maybe some kind of rumor or gossip about this person, and that is the reason for the way you feel today. Maybe you are you don't believe those gossips, but you want the truth, you want the reason for people talking in such a way, and you want the truth. You want this person to reveal the truth to you. So some kind of lack of clarity may be the reason for these circumstances today, guys. So you want to see things more clearly today and decide your what to say, make your decisions based on truth. So you want to find more about this person. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. It's Nine of Pentacles. So looks like you will come to know the truth today, guys. So some clarity will reach you today, and whatever your circumstances are, you will know whether it will work for you and whether it is the right thing, and maybe this person will come out with the truth behind these rumors or gossips, the reason for people talking in such a way, and what is the reality. So that may be the reason we have this card here. So you are reaching clarity today, Aquarius. No matter what, you will know things clearly today, guys. So for your career situation, we picked one card. Let's see what it is. It's Ten of Swords. So in your work circumstances, maybe there are people you trust, but today you need to be more careful. You need to do things your way, and if you want to achieve certain things, you must what to say, be the person to make important decisions, and you must be the person to make efforts or whatever work related decisions or whatever work needs to be done. You must be the person to do it. You should not trust anyone, because today with this card I can say that there are chances for certain things to go in a wrong way. So we can avoid that if we do it ourselves. So for your moon energies, guys, we picked one card. Let's see what is the card here. This is the card, and it says prosperity lies ahead, new moon in Taurus. It's a very good card, guys. So if you are asking for career circumstances, if you have some questions on your career circumstances, it just means that things are falling into place and everything will go in the right way, and you need to take care of yourself. Feel really confident. If you feel that you can do it, you can do it. That is what this card is about. So laws of attraction are working today in your circumstances, so you can create your own abundance. So if you think positively and have positive intentions in your career, you are going to be really successful. And also for your relationship, if you are single and if you are interested in a new connection, this card signifies a new beginning in love. Maybe you will find someone really interesting and it will be a start of a new relationship. Or if you already have someone, it is going to be a time of what to say, a deeper intimacy and love with this person. So things are taking shape, things are going in a very positive way, guys. And you need to count your blessings no matter what, Taurus. Maybe you may feel that certain things are not going as you had hoped for. Whatever it may be, if you are happy for what you have today, you are going to be extremely successful, guys, Aquarius. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So for your love guidance, we picked one card. We will see what it is. Spontaneity. So this card just means that thinking out of the box or doing things differently today. So we feel safe when we are in that comfort zone, when we live a life of no surprises. But you will become stagnant and bored if you go on with your life in that way, guys. So you must, what to say, try something new, experience something new, and you should not let fear hold you back. When we go towards something new, do something in a new way, it's going to give us a lot of experience, and we will change emotionally and we will grow spiritually, and we will know what is the true purpose of our life, guys, and we will find out what is our individual path. So we need to do things that we want to do really, and do not let our fears hold us back. So make those choices which you love to do, which you are really passionate about, and when you do it, you are going to be extremely confident and successful and also happy. So let's see what is your fortune cookie for the day, guys. So we have commitment. Commitment is indicated around love or business. It will make you feel better. That was what we were talking about. So if you want to be really successful today, that was what we were speaking about in your moon energies, guys. You should take matters in your hand and try to do things your way, Aquarius. So that is the reading, guys, with these cards. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.